Lundy, please, I'm recording this. Can you just...
What's this, Mom? Mom?
I believe it's the bread for my sandwich, honey. Hi. Oh, dear, that's gonna smart.
Come here, please.
Hi.
There.
I got your grilled cheese right here, and then I'll get you.
Let's eat outside. It's too hot.
No, I'm going to play outside.
Yeah, just to get her... Just OUT.
You didn't even clean it?
So hot out here.
It's not that hot out, honey. Hey, buddy. Hey, Jude. Hey. Hey. Hi. Hey. Oh, good heaven. Hey. Hi. Look right. Yeah, that's interesting, buddy. Look left. And then right again. What are you looking at? What do you see? Huh? What do you see that makes you do that? Huh? Look at that double chin. Down goes Jude's head. Hi, honey. Are you okay? Hey, baby. Oh.
I'm gonna have to run a couple of extensions.